What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghost Fighter 2T's, back with another informative video. So I wanted to recap and do another video because I got so many views on the other one, and there was a lot of questions. So I'm going to show you what I did from the opening of this to the closing of it, how the LED work, and what you should get when you open the package and get your own. Because a lot of people gave me questions on theirs and I didn't know what kind they had, so it's kind of hard for me to say whether it was supposed to work for them or not. I know y'all remember the Nintendo, see the little patch that used to come on it, the seal that came on it? Yeah, gang. All right, so y'all make sure y'all hit me with a sub, please, thank you, and hit me with some likes. I appreciate it, man. Everything that you guys do for me, our channel been growing. It's our channel. It's not just mine. It's you guys' channel. I'll put the content out for you guys to be able to be entertained by it. So without further ado, we'll get into this. I'll give you guys the stats right from the beginning, where I got it from, how much I paid. And this could be another budget spending. It doesn't have to be a lot of money you spend on these things. Okay, so this is by Vibe, and it's an E-Essential. It's an LED light strip for TVs, rooms, decor, and more with remote. 15 colors, USB powered, and it has a 39-inch length. Girls, that's the second time I've done a video and y'all did that. So change colors with remote, and it has all the features, package contents, and specifications. It says the length of it is 39.37 millimeters. So let's open it up, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly, no personal way, just get into it. So there's nothing in the box, and when it'll come just like this. Okay, you see a USB here, and you just open it from the top like so. I don't know how you guys are having so much problems. That doesn't mean these can't come defective. So that's not what I'm saying by any stretch of the meaning. It'll come with a little manual that shows you like what everything does, okay? It'll show you how to hook it up. These are pretty much self-explanatory. And you just open this up, you pull the little tab out, and that makes the battery ready to use. It's my Vibe. Now you can get this model of Vibe at Five and Below for $5.35. It's not very expensive. It's super easy to use. If you have any problems with them, you can always take it back to that store. Okay? So I just want to make that clear where I got mine from, because I don't know where you guys got y'all's from, and you want me to answer your question about as far as, you know, why mine doesn't work. I'm plugging it up, I'm still not getting no lights to come on. I don't know the reason why, guys, because I didn't buy it where you probably bought yours. But all I can say is remember to keep your receipt if you don't get one from where I got mine, and take it back and do a store exchange. So, all right, get into this. I ain't never had the plastic wiring come off. Like, what in the world? Let's see, give me a few seconds so I'll finally get into this. Okay, so all that's trash. So you can see this thing that is at the end, okay? All right, I'm gonna use a power box, 10,000 milliamp power box. It doesn't have to be 10,000, but you plug it in here, and then you come down to the end. You see it's 39 inches long, so it's roughly 3 feet, okay? And you're gonna take this end here and plug it into here. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just plug it in there. And if it doesn't like it when you turn the on button on, then you have to turn it around. Let me see. Okay. All right, nothing's happening, so don't panic. Just flip it around. See? As soon as I flip it around, these connectors here have to be turned the right way. Now, maybe that wasn't something I explained in past videos, but I didn't, because I didn't think it would be that hard for you guys to figure out. But this video is to I'm gonna go into that video that I did do, red. Man, and this one actually responds way better than a model that I showed you guys on my actual channel. Look at that. You can use these underneath your TV. I got a brand new TV. This will be pretty cool to plug into the back of my TV. I have like 2 or 3 USB spots, and you can plug this into the back of your TV. Look, there's all the colors you can get. You can make it pulse to whatever you're listening to. Smooth. You can do fade, where the colors fade in and out. Strobe. Okay. Flash. And then you can just make the lights white. You can turn the dimming down. I want to say that's what this is for. Yep. You can turn the dimming down. And then you can turn the dimming of it up. Alright. Yep, you can see it's going up from being really bright. Alright, and then you can just cut them off. Then you can just cut them on. It's the push of a button. It's very accurate. Boom, orange, red. I think this concludes the video. I wanted to bring that to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was very helpful to you guys to go get you some strobe lights. And you can do whatever you want to with you. If you wanted to link these together, all you would have to do was have a central hub for where the USBs will plug into, or you have to knit these in a fashion that they can plug into each other. Now that, I do not know how to do because I never really mess with these lights too much, but these tabs where they connect that and run through, you can connect a bunch of them together. I don't know how to do that because I've really never really messed with it. But you just go where it says plus, G, R, and B. But yeah, that's it for the video. I don't want to keep you guys too long. I got other stuff other videos I need to get out for you guys. So I didn't want to make this any longer than it need to be. But I hope that explains everything from the other LED video that I did. All right, this is Ghost72T's. Make sure y'all sub, like, and comment if y'all enjoyed this informative information I gave you guys. Ghost72T's, and I'm out.